Hey guys, welcome back. It is Tootie. Today I'm making a quick and easy slow cooker meal. These are all the ingredients you need. Cream of chicken soup, ranch seasoning mix, pork chops, and a slow cooker. Okay, so first thing, it is so easy. You're just gonna put your pork chops in here. I've had this crock pot on for a minute because I had to run back to the store. Forgot I had it plugged in. So I'm just getting these pork chops in like so. I have 4 large pork chops. I went ahead and rinsed them off before I put them in here because it has like that bone shaving. So do that if you don't want to have all that bone shaving on your meat. Next, we're just gonna pour our cream of chicken soup. This is like a little more, this is like 2.5 cans if you were to buy the smaller cans. I got the bigger can today. Sometimes I just use the 1 can, but I wanted a little extra gravy because we're gonna be having this with mashed potatoes. I'm just going to spread this around. Then the last thing we need is this. You do not need to add salt, pepper, or anything. This is all you need. I mean, if you want black pepper, you can, but I wouldn't add salt because this is plenty salty just with this 1 seasoning packet. Dump it all in just like that. This is what it looks like once you get your ingredients in. We're just gonna set this on high for 4 hours and I'll see you back in 4 hours. Put that lid on. This has been simmering all day, well, most of the day, since it's afternoon. But this is what it looks like. It is bubbling up. It smells so good. We're gonna dish it up with some mashed potatoes and some canned veggies or something. Show you what it looks like.